programming the wireless controller to open and close the valve.
We have disconnected all the upper ports of this panel, pulled out this gauge, unhooked the terminals off of, what is that? That's a hour meter there. And we've unhooked the fuel tank and the fuel line, I should say, which is sitting over here. Fuel tank, we've unstrapped it, got it hanging back. And now we're going to test Chicago fitting will come off now, and we will put in place this here valve assembly, which is actually going to close and open electronically via this remote. We've added a bushing, and we have another reducing nipple. Now we'll pull this off. Do my best to video all this. Oh, buddy. No, we're tightening, that's why. Oh my goodness, that thing is on there. Okay, yeah, so we're on the right track here. Alright, let's try that again. Got it loosened up enough. Somebody was using pipe dope on this, looks like, rather than thread tape. That's fine. Oh, looks like they didn't use anything, actually. So we are looking to thread this reducing. So let's see, what's our best route to tighten it? I'll use our longer channel locks, probably makes sense anyways. Maybe. Not a lot of room there. Let's get in tight. Make sure there's no metal debris on our thread tape. Try to keep that clean. Should have put it on there afterwards, but I think we'll be alright. Now we're going to thread this on like this is the direction we go. Making sure we have plenty of room for clearance. Oh. Now let's see if we can get in here with this puppy. And maybe we'll hold. Now we're fitting here. So we actually need to turn back that way, so I think we'll start here. I don't like to loosen things once we tighten the thread tape on there, but we gotta do it sometimes. Okay, so let's keep that tight. Get a good grip on here. So I didn't want to have it like that, but I think that's actually the only way we're gonna get to clearance. Yeah, now we have our clearance, and now we can turn it the way we want it, I suppose. This, I think, kind of leaves us enough room to get in here to our choke. Gives us a little space in there. I think that's probably going to work out. Figured I'd try it like this too. Not going to be great like that. As far as being able to see our open and close indicator. But that's okay. We'll twist it upright like we had it. Alright, we'll continue turning this one upward. should work. Once we get this bolted back in place, it sticks out a little ways. Probably turn it a little more up if we wanted to, but it'll be touching then. I'm pretty okay with about right like that. Alright, now we're putting in our last fender bolt here, or cowling bolt. Try to get her to line up. And we are missing one right there, which we could take this one and put it over there. With how many are, I'm pretty sure I have another bolt for that one inside the service van there, so we should be good. Now we're going to gently attempt to be gentle, what that is, with this here gauge, which is our pressure gauge apparently. And this thing is definitely busted up already, but it was working, so let's see if it can. And just like that, it is popped in there mostly. I don't know if this eyeglass kind of looks like the eyeglass will pop in there too. There we go. It's definitely far from perfect, but it is back in where it was. I have no clue how they ever expected that thing to stay. Now we've got our two wires, red on the right, black on the left. And this thing is not super solid in there right now, just the way that we've got her bolted, but we will get these all tightened up and then add another bolt back there yet. See if this longer socket makes it easier to put those in. Oh, wrong one. Let's try that again with the right ones. Okay. Go forward. And our final one, the hardest one to get to, of course. Go. They're all tightened in there. Husky tool set I got from my dad for my 18th birthday almost 20 years ago now. Still working.